Hi Joshna, what are you staring?
See how beautiful the sky is? I always wondered that how sky is made up of.
Look, the universe is a vast space that contains many unimaginable elements such as solar system, planets, etc.
Oh.
There are some theories about the solar system like heliocentric theory, geocentric theory, nebular hypothesis. Come with me, me and my friends will explain more about it. Geocentric theory. This theory was proposed by Ptolemy. He was an Egyptian astronomer. According to this theory, the Earth is in the center of the solar system. The Sun and other celestial bodies like planets revolve around it. This theory believed that the Earth is in the center of the universe. This is called geocentric theory. Heliocentric theory. This theory was proposed by a Polish astronomer named Nicolaus Copernicus. Nicolaus Copernicus. According to this theory, the Sun is at the center of the solar system and other celestial bodies like planets revolve around the Sun. This is called heliocentric theory.
Nebular hypothesis. According to this theory, the planets were formed out of clouds of dust and gases. This theory was developed by Immanuel Kant. This theory is called nebular hypothesis.